Hi guys. I hope you guys are good. I'm Almondo Gasa Almondo Baga Gasa ulethu kuthula nje guys.
Onke.
Well guys, lapho umuntu ongi-interview wenza ukutshela ukuthi uculani. Guys, be persistent. Ngiyaxolisa isingisi esikhulu. Be persistent. Ni guys ngipractice nanokuthi ke phela youth nijoinani phela nani khwayini hayibo.
Nizothi para bantwana.
Nizothi lala. Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Are you going to the provincial competition?
Yeah, you'll be joining in Wabe, Kamanama individuals. We will be joining. The date, I'm quite not sure about the date. 6th of December, guys.
The venue?
I think it's Joburg, Rustenburg, yeah. Yeah, please join us guys. Nakhona singanijabulela ukuthi sinibone sibe nani.
2 lines.
Angikwazi ukucula. Okay, ngizocula la. Phela ngingacula. Lapho ivoice ayikho I was singing. Kuhleke moya wami. Guys,
So we're gonna now enter into a series of interviews based on today. Today we are having our first ever Diocese of Natal life coaching conference. We're basically going to be learning on entrepreneurship, finances, love and relationships, and all things prayer. We've got just a couple of people here with us today on how they are feeling on today. Sawubona sisinjani?
Ngiyaphila.
Nami ngiyaphila. Awungiphi igama nesibongo?
Andiswa Mkhize from Parish of Hammersdale. I'm a parish leader, Yoseva.
Just on how you've been namhlanje nje with the sermon we just finished, what you've okuzuzile namhlanje, what was
Engikuzuzile namhlanje ukuthi kumele siqine sibe strong izimo singazitheni down izimo yabo sifunde ukuba nefaith sikhulelwa kakhulu uNkulunkulu singamvumela usathana ukuthi ehlisa isithunzi sethu noma amosha impilo zethu.
Yeah. And with the upcoming things that we're going to have after this break, from learning on entrepreneurship, how to handle our finances as abantu abasha, what is it that you look forward to the most under these topics?
Engifisa nje mhlawumbe ukukuzuza ukuthi nje sikhule nje kumazini nasekumthandeni uNkulunkulu sabantu abasha, because iministry akuyona yabantu abadala kuphela, but nathi siyadinga ukuthi sikhule kakhulu nje inkokholweni nasenkonzweni.
Siyabonga kakhulu sisonke. Sawubona Sandra, samjani?
I'm alright, thank you. How are you?
I'm also good. So, as you know, namhlanje we're here for life coaching basically. Is there anything in the 4 topics that are based on our next session that you look forward to, from entrepreneurship, love and relationships, everything, prayer, finances, khona mhlambe ofisa ukukuzuza in the upcoming couple of hours?
I think for me, I'm really looking forward to what Abefunis are going to say about prayer. It's really important, especially as young people, you know. Also entrepreneurship as well. Yeah, it's quite interesting. It's not something that we ever really speak about in the church.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Definitely. Siyabonga kakhulu siswa.
Thank you.
Tell us your name.
She did not. She
sorry.
did not.
Hi guys, my name is Emmy Lotana. I come from St. Paul's in Durban.
Thank you. Just free notion, you are live. Hi, how are you?
I'm well, thanks, and you?
Zandusipika Misbonga in your home parish.
Igama lami u-Ayanda Wakamthethwa from St. Faith's Parish.
Namhlanje, we had a lovely sermon with Bishop. What was anything that you've taken from that sermon?
Definitely ukuthi mawungqongqoza and kungavuleki qhubeka ungqongqoze, because I feel like there are times where you feel like giving up, you feel like sometimes uNkulunkulu akuphenduli imithandazo yakho, you keep asking and it's just not. So I think Bishop really uyivuselelile lento ukuthi actually don't give up, kusazolunga, eventually your time will come. And the one key thing that he said that it really opened my eyes was ukuthi just because isikhathi sakho asikakafiki doesn't mean ukuthi don't accept izinto ezifika manje, because you don't know what your stepping stone is.
Yeah.
Ngoba ungathola ukuthi your stepping stone is what you're getting offered now, and it's taking you in the right direction.
Definitely.
So, yes.
Definitely. As a member of the senior youth in the church, is there any form of advice you'd like to leave to the younger youth, maybe as they start growing, they're entering the workforce, they become more independent and less dependent on abazali, ogogo, mkhulu?
There's something that the youth tends to say, ukuthi education is not everything. But for me, I personally feel like fundan, because ngeke wazi ukuthi if you're saying okay, education is not for everyone, what is for you?
Yeah.
So if kuguthi uzama ukufunda, what is your backup? You have to have a solid plan. So my advice is ukuthi stay in school, because you never know ukuthi isikole sizokuvulela yimiphi iminyango.
Definitely. Siyabonga kakhulu sisonke.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm good, and how are you?
I'm good. Ngicela igama ne-parish.
Pinky, Nyoni, St. Martin's, Durban North.
So, Mama, namhlanje there's a section that is yours. We program yet.
My God, yes.
Everything prayer.
Yes.
Mhlampe a sneak peek of what we get to learn namhlanje.
Your men ought to pray. As a young person, you cannot survive. Uma ngabe ungahlali emkhulekweni, and God is in control, and uNkulunkulu ofuna size kuye ngaso sonke isikhathi, because he's a faithful God. Amen.
Siyabonga mama.
Hello, Johnny.
Yaphini njani?
Ngiyaphila.
Cela ungiphe igama, your home parish, maybe if kwi-parish yakho khona owaziwa ngakho.
Well, igama lami kuSiphelele Ngwangubane. I'm from St. Martin's in Durban North. Eparishini yami ngaziwa ngokucula nje. Ngokukhuphuka komzikili.
Okusho ukuthi ungasibambela noma ulayini owodwa noma wesibili.
Ngiyadlala.
2 lines.
No, I'm joking.
Yosibona isandla kuqala ke.
Ukuthini?
Borrow me this hand.
Yeah.
As umuntu wakini, I judge you, but based on today's sermon, my love.
Umuntu wangubani?
Based on today's sermon, mhlambe khona into oyizuzile from izinto esifunde kumbishop namhlanje ukuthintile enhlizweni and stuff.
Oh yes, absolutely. I think okwami ukuthi you never know what lies on the other side if you don't persevere.
Yeah.
But kuvuselele kakhulu umoya wami ukuthi all the dreams that one has and the goals, we can still persevere and actually achieve them. So yeah, ngiyabonga uNkulunkulu for today's sermon. Izila namhlanje was very powerful.
Definitely. One last question. Today we have 4 specific topics we are going to learn on: entrepreneurship, finance, love and relationship, and all things prayer. Is there a specific topic you're definitely looking forward to, something new you're looking to learning?
Definitely looking to learning something new. Nothing specific, no specific topic. I'm really looking forward to hearing and learning new things from all the topics that we have for today.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Do you have any notices regarding growing the church or place? How do we reach you?
At the moment, we don't have any notices, but just a huge thank you to everyone that attended Anglicans Ablaze. Thank you for everyone who participated in making the conference a huge success. And you'll be hearing from us soon with conference packs. And yeah, to reach us at the Growing a Church, the church office, you can contact me on 067 060 5545 or email at office@growingthechurch.org.za. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ablaze!